So over the last year of printing mini bikes, I've had TPU seats on all of them. And one of the challenges we had to overcome was how do you put fasteners into a TPU part? Now, the first thing I did was I put a heat set in, and this thing ended up sucking. The pullout force was essentially zero, and if you like wiggled it at all during installation or something, it would just fall out. And a bit of a 2 a.m. thought on the day, but I found a bunch of riv nuts in our hardware cabinet. And I figured out that if you printed the right geometry, you could rivet this into a TPU part and get what felt like infinitely better retention torque. Today, we're going to put everything that we tested into a tensile rig behind us and see what the actual data is. And then I'll go over the caveats and the challenges of how you design the pocket for these features at the end. When you're selecting a riv nut to crimp into your TPU part, there's one really important thing we found, which is there needs to be enough distance between the head flange and the flange that gets created when you crimp it. On McMaster's website for M6, they have two different sizes of riv nuts, or two different lengths. The shorter one, this one sucks. We tried it, it doesn't hold anything. When you crimp it, the head flange and the crimped flange, or whatever you want to call it, has maybe 0.5 millimeter space. Like you just can't fit a meaningful amount of TPU in there. The ones that work really well are these taller ones. They say 4.2 to 6.6 for material thickness. We found these actually crimp down to about 3 millimeters. And that's the dimension that we carry over into our modeled part. Pretty simple. We have that 3 millimeters here from our open air crimp tests. We have our diameter of the crimp flange. And then the only other critical dimension is the height of the pocket, or the depth of the pocket, which just needs to be long enough that you can fit the entire riv nut in, like pre-crimping. You just revolve that shape and you end up with something that looks like this, and this is just what's in the bottom of all the seats, and this has worked great for us all year.